In this tutorial, I'll guide you through step by step on how to add your phone number on Temu. So if you want to add your phone number to your Temu application or your account, you follow the steps in this video. The first step is to click on the Temu mobile application. So that once you click on that, you now proceed to your profile icon below. So now once you click on your profile icon, there's an indication for you to click on your settings. So now once you click on the settings icon, the next step is to click on account security. And you now proceed, you click on mobile phone number and you now click on add. At this point, you now enter your phone number. So once you're done entering your phone number, you proceed and you now click on submit. You will now click on OK to verify your phone number. So they will now send a confirmation code to, or the verification code to your phone number. So right now, once you receive the code, you proceed, you enter the code and your phone number will be added successfully. So this is how to add a phone number to your Temu. If this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.